Watch out! Oh no! The cake!
Today is a very special day. It's Grandma's birthday party.
Everyone is coming this afternoon. We must get everything ready.
Can we help, Mom?
Yes, but please be very careful. Everything must look perfect.
We promise! We will be so careful.
Max, please hang these balloons near the window.
Okay, Dad. I can do it.
Mia, can you help me put the plates on the table?
Yes, Mommy. I love pretty plates.
The cake is in the kitchen. Nobody touch it until the party starts. Understood?
Understood.
Jack, I need your help with the food. Can you come here for a minute?
Sure, Ella. Kids, stay here and finish the balloons. We'll be right back.
Okay, Dad. Max, look! The cake is so beautiful. Wow, it has pink flowers on top. Can we just look at it a little closer? I don't know, Mia. Dad said, don't touch it. We're not touching it. We're just looking. It smells so good.
Careful, Mia. Don't get too close.
I just want to smell the flowers on top.
Mia! Watch out!
Oh no! The cake!
Oh no, oh no. This is really bad.
Max, what do we do? Mom and Dad are going to be so upset.
Don't cry, Mia. Let me think. The guests are coming soon. There's no time. Wait, I have an idea. Let's try to fix it ourselves before anyone sees. Okay, we can put the pieces back together.
Like this?
A little more to the left.
Oh no! Now the plate broke too!
This is getting worse and worse. Mia, hold this balloon while I fix the table.
Okay. Whoops!
Ah! My ears!
I'm so sorry, Max. I didn't mean to squeeze it so hard.
Wait, no!
The whole table fell down.
What was that noise?
Oh my goodness! What happened here? The cake!
The plates, the table, everything is broken.
Mom, Dad, we're so sorry. It's my fault. I wanted to smell the cake, and I bumped into it.
And then I tried to fix it myself instead of telling you right away. That made it worse.
Kids, why didn't you call us immediately?
We were scared you would be angry. We are not happy about the mess. But we are more upset that you tried to hide it instead of asking for help.
We're really, really sorry. Is Grandma's party ruined now?
Let's not give up yet. The guests will arrive soon. We need to work together, fast.
Max, can you sweep up the broken plate carefully? Yes, Mom. Right away.
Mia, help me pick up the balloons from the floor.
Okay, Daddy.
Luckily, I have a smaller cake in the fridge for emergencies. It's not as fancy, but it will work.
Really? You saved us!
Let's decorate it together to make it special again.
Can I put flowers on top?
Of course, sweetie. Be gentle this time.
I will, I promise.
The cake looks amazing.
We did it! Great teamwork, everyone.
They're here! Big smiles!
Hello, my darlings. Happy birthday today to me.
Happy birthday, Grandma! We made you a special cake.
Oh, it's beautiful. Did you all make this together?
Yes, Grandma. We had a little accident, but we fixed it as a family.
That is the best kind of gift. A family that helps each other.
Everyone, let's sing Happy Birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Thank you, everyone. This is the happiest birthday ever.
I'm sorry again about earlier, Grandma.
Accidents happen, sweetheart. What matters is that you tried to make it right.
So, what did we learn today?
When something goes wrong, we should tell you right away, not try to hide it. And it's better to ask for help than to make things worse alone.
Exactly. Mistakes happen to everyone. But honesty and teamwork can fix almost anything.
Did you enjoy today's story, friends? Tell us in the comments. Always tell the truth when something breaks.
And ask for help. Don't hide it.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Quiz time! Let's see how many you can get right. Why did the cake fall? You have 3 seconds to guess. The correct answer is B. Mia accidentally bumped into it. Why didn't Max tell his parents immediately? You have 3 seconds to guess. The correct answer is B. He was scared they would be angry. What did Ella find in the fridge? You have 3 seconds to guess. The correct answer is C. A smaller emergency cake. Who helped decorate the new cake? You have 3 seconds to guess. The correct answer is B. The whole family.